know how to wash and reuse your crochet hair. First thing you're gonna do is, you see I put the hair in some hot water to like just sit and to like play around with it to like get all of the strands wet. You also will need to use shampoo for this.
You love me while you're grinding slowly. Drive me crazy, take me high. Show me there ain't no other. Show me there ain't no other for me. I need that, that good love that can't get enough. That calling to work me cause I can't get up. That taking your time cause we ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. I want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Put everything aside and focus on.
You need to let the water out and get some clean water. Don't let any of your braids go down, because that will be bad. And you don't need that, so don't let any of your braids go down.
Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Tonight I need some special attention.
Okay, once you do that, you're going to rinse the hair.
From my body into the night till I fall fast asleep. And the sun will rise while you're still holding me. This is not just what I want, but it's everything I need. Special attention. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Special attention.
After you're done with rinsing it, you're going to need a big towel to lay the hair on. Scatter it out. Try to scatter it out however much you can. And just keep, ooh, that smells good.
Promise you gon' do me right, even if it take all night. Promise you gon' do me right, even if it take all night. Promise you gon' do me
Then you want to blow dry it. You want to blow dry it until it's fully dry.
on the ride. Tonight you'll be my handyman, cause I need you to fix this slowly. I need that, that good love that can't get enough. That bite in the pillow that I can't get up. That taking your time, cause we ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. I want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world.
Just saying, you try to see what kind of look. This is what I'm doing my edges with.
Your favorite girl, cause tonight I need some special attention. All eyes on me, all eyes on me. Special attention. Baby, work me out until I fall asleep. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Tonight I need some special attention. Baby, work while you're grinding slowly. Drive me crazy, take me high. Show me there ain't no other. Show me there ain't no other for me. I need that good love that can't get enough. That calling to work me cause I can't get up. That taking your time cause we ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. We ain't gotta rush. I want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Put everything aside and focus on me, your favorite girl. Cause tonight I need special attention. All eyes on me, all eyes on me. Special attention. Baby, work me out until I fall asleep. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it. Tonight I need some special attention.
So now I am finished, and I look totally different, like from the mirror and the phone. But I don't really know how I'm going.
Special attention. All eyes on me, all eyes on me. Special attention. Baby, work me out until I fall asleep. Yeah, I need it. Yeah, I need it.
So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and be on the lookout for another video.
Look me in my eyes when I tell you tonight I need all your attention.